Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about something that has more style than your neighbor who wears sunglasses indoors, the Aero 50 Dynamik. Now, this is not just any car. It's a rolling masterpiece from 1939, back when people thought cars should look like rocket ships and have more curves than a racetrack. And trust me, this thing turns heads faster than free donuts at an office meeting. Before we go any further, hit that subscribe button. Seriously, it takes less effort than parallel parking, and it helps us bring you more cool automotive content. Now, let's get into the good stuff. The Aero 50 Dynamik is a Czech-built pre-war rarity that was designed to be as aerodynamic as a fish in a wetsuit. Only 5 were made, and today only 2 have survived, making it rarer than a mechanic who finishes the job on time. Designed by Sodomka, this thing doesn't just look fast, it was ahead of its time in engineering too. Under the hood, or should I say under that beautifully sculpted front end, is a 2-liter, 2-stroke, 4-cylinder engine. Yeah, you heard that right. A 2-stroke car engine. That means it sounds like a chainsaw on steroids, but delivers 50 horsepower, which was enough to hit a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour. And with only about 1,400 kilograms, 2,204 pounds of weight, it had a decent power-to-weight ratio. This beauty came with a 4-speed manual transmission, front-wheel drive, and independent suspension all around. Pretty high-tech for its time. And that swooping, futuristic design? Let's just say if Batman were Czech and alive in the 1930s, this would be in his garage. A few fun facts. This car was one of the first with a fully enclosed underbody for better aerodynamics, something modern supercars are still trying to perfect. It also had a distinctive S logo on the wheel covers, which, let's be honest, made it look extra classy. Now, let's get into the part that makes collectors drool: the price. In 1939, this cost around 45,000 Czech korunas, which was about 2,105 United States dollars at the time. Adjusted for inflation, that's about 57,670 United States dollars today. But here's the kicker. One of these babies recently sold for a staggering 346,000 United States dollars. That's more than my first house. Okay, fine. It was a tiny apartment. But still, let's not forget the design. The Aero 50 Dynamik looks like something out of an art museum. With a sleek, teardrop-shaped body and hidden headlights, it could make even the most elegant Bugatti of the time feel underdressed. So what have we learned today? The Aero 50 Dynamik is an ultra-rare, super stylish, 2-stroke powered legend from a time when cars were built with passion, style, and a little bit of crazy. See you in the next one.